Vice Chancellor, sir, it is my privilege to present to you this citation in honor of Dr. Kamil Idris, Director General, World Intellectual Property Organization, who has graciously accepted our invitation to receive the award of Doctor of Letters honoris causa on the occasion of the 16th convocation of Indira Gandhi National Open University. Dr. Kamil Idris, a national of Sudan, is a reputed scholar of repute in the field of international law. He began his association with WIPO as Senior Program Officer, Development Cooperation and External Relations Bureau for Africa in 1982, became the Director, Development Cooperation and External Relations Bureau for Arab countries in 1990, and Deputy Director General in 1994. He assumed charge as Director General of World Intellectual Property Organization in 1997 for a period of 6 years. During his first term as Director General of WIPO, he led the organization with a visionary zeal and aimed to highlight the central role of intellectual property as an important tool for social development, economic growth, and wealth creation. His vision for WIPO has had an outward focus based on relevance, empowerment, and inclusion, and an inward focus based on clarity, efficiency, and transparency. In view of his dynamic leadership, Dr. Idris received unanimous support from the organization's General Assembly and member states and was formally reappointed to a second term as Director General of WIPO in 2003. He is committed to build on his achievements of the past and to ensure that intellectual property gains its rightful place on the agenda of policymakers at the highest level and is recognized as a powerful tool for social and cultural development in the global economy. Dr. Idris is also Secretary General of the International Union for the Protection of New Varieties of Plants since 1997. Before joining WIPO, Dr. Idris served in various capacities as Attorney at Law, Advocate and Commissioner for Oaths, Sudan, Professor of International Law, Ambassador, Sudanese Foreign Service, Legal Advisor, Permanent Mission of Sudan to the United Nations Office, Geneva, Coordinator and Spokesman of the African Group and the Group of 77, Geneva. He was also a member of the United Nations International Law Commission from 1992 to 1996 and from 2000 to 2001. Dr. Idris has been decorated in recognition of his achievements by Sudan, Egypt, Senegal, Russian Federation, Saudi Arabia, Slovakia, Syrian Arab Republic, Portugal, Romania, Mexico, Republic of Moldova, and Poland. He has also been conferred honorary degrees by the State University of Moldova, Franklin Pierre Law Center, Concord, New Hampshire, Fudan University, Shanghai, University of National and World Economy, Sofia, University of Bucharest, Hanan University, Mongolian University of Science and Technology, Ulaanbaatar, Bankana Mysteria, and National Technical University of Ukraine, Kyiv, Polytechnic Institute, Kyiv. He is Honorary Professor of Law, Peking University, China, since 1999. Dr. Idris has had his early education at Khartoum University, Sudan, and Cairo University, Egypt. He did his master's in international law and international affairs from Ohio University, USA, and his doctorate in international law from the Graduate Institute of International Studies, Geneva University, Switzerland. In his current stint as Director General of World Intellectual Property Organization, Dr. Kamil Idris is championing the rights of indigenous peoples and respect for their distinct cultures, communities, and values, and encouraging steps to respond to the needs and aspirations of the world's indigenous people so as to enhance their effective participation in policy processes on matters that concern them. In the field of intellectual property, this translates into greater respect and recognition for the cultural and intellectual framework and knowledge systems in which traditional cultural expressions, traditional knowledge and associated genetic resources are developed, maintained, and transmitted to future generations within the traditional or customary contexts. In this perspective, he shares the vision and mission of our university. We are indeed privileged that Dr. Idris has agreed to accept our invitation to receive the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa at the 16th convocation. Sir, may I have the honor of presenting Dr. Kamil Idris to the 16th convocation of the Indira Gandhi National Open University and to request you to confer on him the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of the Indira Gandhi National Open University, I confer on you the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Professor H.P. Dishket, Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Dr. G. Madhavan Nair, Chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization, Mr. B.S. Baswan, Education Secretary of the Government of India, Professor S.C. Garg, Pro Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi National Open University, distinguished members of academia, dear students and graduates, dear invitees and friends, it is a great privilege to participate in today's historic and impressive ceremony. The degree bestowed by this great university is an honor not only for me, but also for the World Intellectual Property Organization and the whole international intellectual property community. The intensive and extensive endeavors of this highly respected institution are undertaken with a national and international perspective, encompassing both the domestic and global agendas. I'm indeed privileged to have this special linkage with such an esteemed and forward-looking body, and I'm grateful to receive this degree of Doctor Honoris Causa. This is an important event. The work of this university has significant national and global implications, and I would like to commend the pioneering and leading role of this university in offering distance learning programs. Your Excellency, I would like also to use this occasion to applaud the Government of India for the important steps it has taken to make the intellectual property system responsive to national needs and global challenges and opportunities. India is an ancient civilization with an inspiring history and an identity founded on industriousness, collective effort, and great ingenuity. These attributes, linked to a well-crafted intellectual property system, are helping to create a climate of healthy competition and positive growth, attracting new capital and investment. Excellencies, distinguished guests and invitees, the growth of the human race is intimately linked to its ability to invent, innovate, create, entertain, and imagine a better world. Intellectual property is at the heart of this progress, as present-day economic realities and the unprecedented technological developments transform societies, communities, communications, and business practices across the globe. Intellectual property is a critical tool for social progress, economic development, and wealth creation. For us, it is foreign to no culture and native to all nations. Thank you very much indeed for your attention. Thank you. Thank you, sir.